Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Introduction to Knowledge Graphs, representing information as networks. Imagine a network of interconnected ideas. That's a knowledge graph. Think of it like a giant mind map, but instead of handwritten notes, it uses computers to store and connect information. We'll represent this network using nodes, pieces of information, and edges, relationships between them. Let's use a simple example. Barack Obama is a node. President of the USA is another node. The edge connecting them represents the relationship. Was president of. We can represent this as data using various formats like JSON or graph databases. Here's how our example might look in JSON. Node. Barack Obama. Relationship. Was president of. Related node. USA. See how simple it is to represent relationships. Relationships aren't always simple. They can be many to many, one to many, etc. For example, Barack Obama could be connected to multiple authored books, and each book could be connected to multiple authors. We'll explore how to represent these complexities. As developers, we use programming languages and libraries to create and query these graphs. We might use Python with libraries designed for graph databases like Neo4j or graph-oriented tools. Once built, we can ask questions. Who was the president of the USA before Barack Obama? A knowledge graph allows us to efficiently answer such complex queries by traversing the connections. Knowledge graphs are everywhere. Recommendation systems, search engines, and even medical diagnosis tools use them to make connections and provide insights from complex information. This is just a starting point. Next, we'll delve deeper into specific graph database technologies and show you how to build your own knowledge graph. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.